Hello, beautiful souls. Today we're exploring natural solutions to tackle split ends. Quick, easy, and chemical-free. Let's get your hair glowing naturally. Certainly. Here are 5 effective natural remedies for split end problems. First is argan oil treatment. Apply a few drops of pure argan oil to the ends of your hair. Gently massage and leave it on overnight for deep conditioning. Argan oil is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, promoting hair health and preventing split ends. Second is yogurt and honey mask. Mix plain yogurt with honey to create a thick paste. Apply it to damp hair, focusing on the ends. Leave on for 30 minutes before rinsing. Yogurt provides protein, while honey adds moisture, helping to strengthen and nourish your hair. Third is avocado and olive oil mask. Mash a ripe avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of olive oil. Apply the mask to your hair, concentrating on the ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing. Avocado's natural oils and vitamins, combined with olive oil, deeply condition and repair split ends. Fourth is egg yolk treatment. Beat an egg yolk and apply it to damp hair. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing with cool water. The protein in the egg yolk helps strengthen hair, reducing the occurrence of split ends. Fifth is coconut milk soak. Soak your hair in coconut milk for 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Coconut milk is rich in nutrients that hydrate and nourish the hair, preventing dryness and split ends. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more hair care tips, and share it with anyone you think might benefit. Thank you for watching.